Alright, let's be real for a second. What if I told you that just 10 minutes of your life, literally less time than scrolling through TikTok before bed, could completely change your future? Would you take it? Or would you shrug and say, nah, I'll do it later? Here's the harsh truth, most people are one decision away from a completely different life. And the crazy part? They don't even realize it until it's too late. Now I know what you're thinking, come on, nothing life-changing happens in 10 minutes. Really? Tell that to the person who finally started their business, made their first sale, or sent that one email that opened the door to a six-figure opportunity. So today, I'm gonna break it down for you, the 10 minutes that could change everything, your money, your mindset, your future. And before you click away, yes, I'm talking to you, the one half listening while checking your phone, stick with me. Because these next few minutes might be the slap-in-the-face wake-up call you've been waiting for. Pause. Lean in. Lower tone for impact. Let's go. Here's the brutal reality, most people waste more time in a single day than it would take to start building their dream life. Think about it. How many times have you said, I'll start tomorrow, I'll do it when I'm ready, or the classic, I just don't feel motivated today? Sound familiar? Yeah, I've been there too. But let me tell you something scary, time doesn't care about your excuses. While you're putting things off, someone else, maybe your age, maybe younger, is using that same 10 minutes to build the skills, create the content, or launch the business that's gonna put them light years ahead of you. And here's where the fear kicks in, if you keep letting those 10 minutes slip by, you're gonna wake up one day at 30, 35, 40, and wonder, what the hell happened to my life? I'm not saying this to scare you. Okay, actually I am saying this to scare you. Because sometimes fear is the only thing that shakes us out of our comfort zone. But let's lighten it for a second. You ever notice how you can watch Netflix for 3 hours straight, but somehow 10 minutes of focused work feels like torture? Yeah, your brain's lying to you. 10 minutes is nothing. But what you do in those 10 minutes? That's everything. Pattern interrupt. Quick question, if I handed you $10,000 right now, would you spend 10 minutes figuring out how to make it $20,000? Exactly. So why don't you treat your time the same way? Here's the exciting part, you don't need to overhaul your life overnight. You don't need a perfect plan. You just need 10 minutes of ruthless focus every single day. That's it. Think about the compound effect. 10 minutes writing every day. You'll have a book in a year. 10 minutes learning a skill like copywriting, coding, or video editing. You'll be making money online faster than you think. 10 minutes reaching out to clients. That's how people turn side hustles into full-time income. But here's the catch, you have to treat those 10 minutes like life or death. No distractions. No excuses. No scrolling. Just pure, intentional action. And let's be real, it's not glamorous. Success isn't always fireworks and celebrations. Most of the time, it's boring. It's showing up, 10 minutes at a time, while everyone else is wasting theirs. Pattern interrupt, humor. Let me guess, you're thinking, 10 minutes. That's too small to matter. Okay, but you had no problem spending 10 minutes yesterday arguing with a stranger in the comments section, did you? Yeah, busted. Now imagine this, every single day, you lock in for 10 minutes. That's 3,650 minutes a year. That's over 60 hours of focused work. Do you know how much progress you can make with 60 laser-focused hours? More than most people make in 5 years of half-trying. The fear is wasting time. The excitement is realizing how little time it actually takes to change your entire trajectory. So here's your challenge. After this video, don't just nod your head and go back to scrolling. Take 10 minutes, today, and do something that moves your life forward. Not tomorrow. Not Monday. Not when you feel like it. Today. Send that email. Film that TikTok. Write that blog post. Sketch out that business idea. Apply for that freelance gig. Learn that one skill. Whatever it is, do it. Because those 10 minutes, they stack. And before you know it, you're not just someone who wants to make money online, you're actually doing it. Remember this, the difference between who you are now and who you want to be could literally be just 10 minutes of consistent action. That's the gap. That's the bridge. And only you can cross it. So, question, are you gonna spend the next 10 minutes watching another video, or building your future? Your move. If this video hit you, even a little, then don't let it stop here. I drop videos like this every week to push you, challenge you, and remind you that your time is more valuable than you think. So do yourself a favor, hit that subscribe button. Not for me, for you. Because every time you see one of these videos, it'll be a reminder, 10 minutes could change everything. Now go take your 10 minutes. And don't waste it.